So welcome to another accommodation in Mohandeseen that we have. Now I'll lead you to the kitchen. As you can see, as in all our accommodations, you have a big fridge, all the storage space, everything you need to cook, a sink and a water filter. And you also have the washing machine here in this apartment. And we have a big oven. So now I'm leading you to the living room. It's also a dining room where you can have cozy lunches or dinners with your friends. And yeah, we have also couches that you can sit and study. Now we go to the first room, which is a double room with two double beds. As you can see, there's AC, all the couches, and a desk where you can study. So now we're heading to the second room. The second room is also a double room with two double beds. We have the AC and so much storage spaces in all our rooms. And the plus is you have a nice balcony where you can just chill, study, or drink your tea. So now we're heading to the third and last room, which is also a double room with the double beds. And as you can see, you have everything you need. You have the AC, you have the storage space, and you have another balcony here. So now I'm heading to the bathroom. In the bathroom you also have everything you need, from sink to bathtub to toilet. And we also have the heater. And as I told you before, the washing machine is in the kitchen in this apartment. So thanks a lot for your time, and we hope to see you in Arabiya very soon. Bye-bye.